So today we're going to be raising our handlebars. As you can see, I have two spacers down here. There's one, two, and I have one up top. I feel like I'm hunched over a little bit, so it's either my seat or the handlebars. So what I'm going to attempt to do is put that third spacer down low, raise up my handlebar just that little bit to see if that makes a difference. So first thing in order is to remove this hex nut, and I'm using a 5mm wrench. This is on a 2017 Specialized Enduro comp aluminum frame. With the top cap off, I already removed the spacer, so now I'm going to use a 4mm wrench. I got a nut here, or bolt here, and a bolt here, so I'm going to loosen that and lift the handlebar. So I've loosened my nuts. So now I went ahead and made a little mark right here so I know exactly where that stem goes to make everything straight. Okay, so now that I have all three spacers on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and line this up with my mark, and then we'll tighten the screws back down. And on this particular bike, it says to torque at 40 inch-pounds. So this bolt and the bolt right here tighten to 40 inch-pounds. Now that I have those bolts tightened down to 40 inch-pounds, I'm going to go ahead and put my cap back on and secure that just hand tight. There's no specified torque setting for this. Obviously I'm going to make my specialized mark nice and square. Alright, now that everything's back in order, we're ready to hit the trail and hit some sweet jumps. Thanks for watching and have a good day. One thing I forgot to mention that I would like to mention is that when you're securing those bolts to the handlebar stem, you want to make sure that you lift up on your fork and make sure your fork and your frame are right up against each other. If you don't, you're going to get a little slack. So pull your fork up as tight as possible to your frame, then push down on your stem and make sure it's pretty tight, and then secure those bolts, and then you shouldn't get any play. If you lift up on your handlebars and you feel some slack, you need to retighten it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Leave a comment if you like this video. Please like it, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day.